Maybe you better start again. Start again.
Why?
Okay, go. I wanted to go the first time. All right, we got our bus back. It's in Oregon now, and since 2015, we finally got it back. And got a few things back with it. The old transmission, 3-speed transmission. I knew someone that could buy that. This is aluminum, I believe. Maybe not. That's probably cast iron. Right? Cast iron. Got the old head and the old crank, which is a good crank. It's just not a new crank like we put in the bus. Anyway, got it back. It's October 12th, 2018.
It's November.
Oh, November. Okay, November 12th, 2018. I want to put those awnings on there. It hides the air conditioners, actually. And they just come out. The whole length of the bus, Mike. It was the whole length of the bus. Just came out. Pretty cool. Alright. Here's our engine. Cover this sucker up. Look at this tire that they broke. Right now we can't find one of the manifolds. Your dog keeps peeing on the tires. You can figure out a cool painting. Broke our tire. Somebody did. Yes. Of course they wouldn't cop to it, of course. Oh, and here's the new transmission we're putting in.
Burble.
New. LV 730 or something like that.
Yeah, V730.
Allison, huh? V730. Is that what it was? V730 Allison, 3-speed. There's the old
Cable driven.
Now that's aluminum. This is aluminum. It's light. I wonder how much price of aluminum is to sell that sucker. Feels like you need to pee on that.
That's a good thing. Is it's not going to be the tires we keep.
Well,
You'll still pee on them.
stop him from doing it. We'll get all this stuff out of here. Ow! Oh, that goes. That's a ground. Anyway, it's home. Now we gotta broke our wall somehow. Broke this rail somehow.
Yeah, try not to split that up. I'll try to make another piece.
What?
I had to cut that out. That's that oak.
Yeah, he had like the height of this probably, and you could go less than that because you wouldn't need this anymore. And he had a track just to cover these holes, you know, and it just fed out evenly.
I like our lights.
You do? So that's off, huh? It's off the table. You could keep your lighting, and then you could have something. But you wouldn't have to have this. Use these I'd rather get rid of this so you wouldn't see him. Although, how does he control them?
Well, they're probably automatic.
Yeah, probably. I think this is wider than his was.
Well, he had stuff in it, probably.
Well, yeah, but he said his was not as wide as it was a 63 Fairview or something, and he said it was not as wide as other buses and stuff. It was like 6 inches narrower.
We could put a herringbone design down on this side. Have all your appliances over this side.
Yeah.
Because it's already stepped up, so you wouldn't have to worry about
Right,
that.
it wouldn't have to be so high. I mean, it would be, you're down there, so it just give you more room up top, right? But anyway, we got her home. That's a good thing. See, it stayed clean in here. All those years, 5 years, that's nothing, right?
Yeah.
And that probably came from going in and out of here. But this all is clean. That's a little dusty, but mostly. So that means it's, you know, that we still have holes down there from the bays up to here, you know.
Need to get that mattress out of here.
Yeah, we can take it upstairs. I think that's it was comfortable. So anyway, we got a mattress.
Go outside now. Go out. Go outside.
Here's the for the transmission to sit on.
What is this?
I don't know. Some kind of sensor. Anyway,
Here's our stuff out
what's
of
it
that.
say on the top of that?
Moonshine cherries.
Oh,
That's it. The soda came out of the filters. That ABC bus put in there.
cold, huh?
All right, I'll go down. Go, go, go.
I'll tell you what I want to do with this. This step here is pretty cool, actually. Haven't seen any of the other ones that they've shown. And
I'll put a piece of wood, hardwood. Go on, get in there.
oh, we'll get they have some, what I've seen on some, is they have a little, it's see-through, well, not see-through, but it has little grids with perforated, you know, like when you step on it, you can kind of, and it goes right through, you know, instead of
The grills.
grill, like a, yeah, and it's
Metal.
Yeah, it's metal, and
It's got little grits on it.
yeah, you know, so that'd be strong.
There's our little shack out there.
So we can make this really nice. And that goes all the way, and it hides those. You wouldn't see the air conditioner things. You know, get the low profile ones when we buy our air conditioners.
Yeah.
We get the low profile ones, and then where that curves like that, that would sit all along there, and you wouldn't be able to see those. And it really looks cool. I'll show you when we go in here.
What you got, Burble? What you got?
He named them off, who made them and everything, and so he told about, you know, where he got them and everything. It was really cool. It was how it went out. He just was on his phone anyway. You like my feet, don't you? These lights are not working too good. This is some of the stuff. Hopefully we got everything.
We need to get these lights fixed in here.
I guess this is the old one.
I don't know where those tops to that is. Is if you don't have them.
There's a whole. I don't think we have all the nuts and bolts. I guess would be on the engine from what we had.
Well, maybe they're on that thing out there.
It could be. No, they're not. I just took them off. And what is in here? A bunch
The
of
head, the valve cover.
Yeah, I just rich it on, pull it off.
There's nothing on top of it.
No.
Those are rings and stuff, I think.
Old ones or new ones?
They may still be new.
Because I know we bought several sets of things and they wouldn't take them back.
That's right.
Can't blame them for that. They probably never sell them again.
We just got screwed a lot of ways.
Well,
Leon screwed us. Johnny screwed us. North State screwed us.
wow. I'm just glad to have it back. Right now.
Alizé, every day. Al. Hi, honey. What you doing? Are you a good girl? Are you a good dog? And there comes Burble. Yay! Got the stick, Burble? That thing's pretty heavy. There you go. All right, that's enough of that. 12 minutes.